Morning, July 7th. I think it's a Monday. Hope everybody has a safe and wonderful 4th of July, celebrating our independence. We have our ups and downs in this country, but we got what we got. All right, so what I'm doing is a little bit making some blackberry jam preserves right now. Over there, the pot is boiling with the cans in it. If you see it right there, this is the garage, of course, right? There you go, huh? There we go. So that's my little fan today. No sense in turning the AC on. It isn't that hot. I've made 17 quarter pints already. I'm making quarter pints, that way it's just a little bit to get us by on some toast, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. But anyway, thank you very much from Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. You can stop on by this garage. Time for me to stir. There you go, huh? So basically, 4 cups is a quart. So this mixture gets 3 quarts, or 12 cups. All right. There you go. It's got a timer on it. This thing cranks up to, I think, 1800 watts. It's an inductive cooktop. That way it speeds that thing up. I gotta be careful of that in the main. So, just to let you know, you can come on down here, right? We got a garden, zucchini, all kind of stuff. Yellow squash, tomatoes. What else we got? Cucumbers. Oh yeah. Sweet potatoes are growing. We got oh yeah, there's some kind of red bean, southern red bean. I got it from Watson. His daughter sent it up from Georgia or something like that. So I said, man, let me try them out. So we got like 30 plants growing. So once again, thank you very much, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Nothing to do with RVs, but a little bit to do with my personal life. Remember, we got a school and a garage, right? And a mini campground. Stay while you wait. If you're just traveling through the area, Delaware, down Route 13, which goes over the Virginia Bay Bridge Tunnel. Once you go into the Virginia area, the south end of it, gets you into Norfolk. That's a real nice, busy place to be in. But beautiful campgrounds down there. So, once again, what's the motto? Test, not guess. Thank you very much for watching this video. Give me some thumbs up. Subscribe, folks. We're almost at 9,000 members.